Kumusta mga tropa? Medyo matagal din tayong hindi nag-upload ng video. Focus kasi tayo sa training at busy sa mga personal na gawain. So ayun mga tropa, andito tayo ngayon sa Asia and Oceania Sambo Championship sa Tashkent, Uzbekistan 2025. Elimination round against Durdiev Merjan from Turkmenistan under 64 kg. So yun mga tropa, umpisa na natin. Touch gloves, showing respect to each other. Me unorthodox to southpaw stance. I throw jab, uppercut, inside rear kick, while checking his reaction. Dirty inside low kick, and I feint a shot, and try to connect with the hook cross. Dirty clinch, trying some judo entry. I drop on my knees, trying to score a takedown, and Dirty doing a good job controlling me on my knees. So yun mga tropa, by the rules of Sambo, since no action, pinatayo kami at nireset kami sa gitna. Again, checking his reaction. Hook cross. Dirty with a rear round kick. Me doing some feints to draw some reaction. Hook cross. Dirty clinch up. And I immediately go for a single. Grabbing his belt to trap his leg while Dirty doing some choke. Me trying to pass and go for a pin. My goal is to pin Dirty both of his shoulder 20 seconds on the mat. Kaso yun nga lang tropa, hindi natin siya na-pin, kaya wala tayong score. Kung makikita nyo tropa, mabilis ang pag-awat or pag-reset ng position, lalo na kung i-compare mo sa MMA rules, in my opinion. Jab and feints to check reaction. Jab, cross, overhand, switch stance. And again, Dirty on clinch work, throw a knee, butt miss, Uchimata and inside trip. I go for single but denied by Durdiev. And the referee reset the position on the center. The referee gave me a penalty kasi kulang ako sa work or activity, I think. Feint and push kick. Me doing some feints. Dirty on lead leg kick. Me trying to connect with the left hand. And again, immediately, Dirty connect with the clinch. Doing a sacrifice throw. Trying to get a better position from the bottom. Control and a sweep. Both stand up. And again, a sacrifice throw. Looking for a better position. And submission. Dirty past my guard. Trying to pin me on kesagitame position. While me trying to reverse and countering the position. Dogfight position and stand up. Dirty now have a better angle to execute an Uchimata judo throw. Since I landed with my both shoulder, the referee gave Dirty a 4 points based on the Sambo rule set. The referee called for a reset on the center. I tried to land a jab upper. Dirty counter with the hook. Both miss. I throw a jab and knee parry. Grab my sleeve and connect for a clinch. Both fighter controlling each hand. Me doing some headbutt and immediately switch to single leg. But Dirty tried to counter with the Sumigaeshi throw, but failed. And again, the referee asked for reset on the center because we're already out of bounds. Me throwing a red round kick to the head. Blocked. I feint. Dirty circling on my right to get a better position or angle. Me lowering my guard, asking him to go forward, initiate. Dirty throw a jab and I parry it. Me on a rear leg kick, question mark kick for Dirty and answer him with a left body kick. Dirty front kick but parried. feinting, keeping him guessing for my next move. Front kick to the leg, parry his left hand, and immediately connect a jab cross to the face. Push kick to the leg, fake a low high kick, but didn't land. I reset my distance and my stance. Penalty was awarded to Dordiev. Medyo hindi na siya nag-engage at ako na halos ang gumagawa. I threw a jab, trying to hold his sleeve. Dordiev feinting his kick. Inside low kick for me. Trying to connect with the upper hook. And exit to my left. I feint a single. Dordiev feint a kick. Again, feint single. At ngayon, ang ating special move. Fake flying knee to takedown. Dordiev trying to defend. Me keeping on driving. Trying to score a takedown. But the referee decided to reset on the center since we're already out of bounds. Last 8 seconds. Dordiev push kick. Me trying to score for the last few seconds. Dordiev inside trip. We both disengage. At sabi ng referee, hindi pa tapos ang laro. Kaya humabol ako nang humalakas sa suntok. Yun nga lang, hindi tumama. We both stopped. Kasi may narinig kaming pito, which is galing sa ibang mat. So ayun mga tropa, natalo tayo. Siyempre hindi okay. Kaya babawi tayo at mananalo. Maraming salamat mga tropa. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!